Sage HR is a human resource software typically used by small businesses with up to 125 employees. But is Sage HR right for you? We seek to answer that question as we cover the most important things you should consider before purchasing a human resource software tool, including pros and cons, pricing, and features. If you're already a Sage HR customer, tell us what you think of the product in the comments below, and if you're new here, hit the like and subscribe button to be notified of our future software reviews. Software Pundit gave Sage HR an analyst rating of 89 out of 100, and it is currently ranked 5th in our human resource software category. Job postings are very user-friendly and simple to set up in Sage HR. This solution can automate repetitive tasks through workflow automation. Also, Sage HR comes with helpful reports on your company and employees. On the other hand, you cannot run payroll or manage employee benefits. Sage HR does not assist you with state and federal compliance, and it does not offer an adequate amount of native integrations with other software tools. Sage HR's pricing starts at $5.50 per month per employee. Each additional module costs an extra $3, while hiring and recruitment features are an additional $200 per month. Sage HR comes with a variety of human resource software features. Sage HR includes a feature-rich set of tools that help with the recruiting process. You can post and manage your job listings, as well as streamline employee onboarding and offboarding. This will be particularly useful for small businesses that are rapidly growing and hiring new employees. Creating a job posting is a user-friendly process. Application forms created through Sage HR come with pre-equipped fields such as full name, email, and phone number. You can also create custom fields with either text or drop-down responses. Finally, you can request any number of files from candidates such as their CV or cover letter. Once you've created your job posting, Sage HR generates a shareable link that you can post on your own website, as well as various job posting sites. However, you cannot directly post to websites such as Indeed or LinkedIn from Sage HR. This is a hindrance to your workflow when compared to alternatives like Bamboo HR. You can customize the pipeline your candidates go through during their interview process. Although you cannot edit the actual steps in a pipeline, you can change their order, make them optional, or disable them altogether. Once your candidates start going through your pipeline, you can use the customizable scorecard. Sage HR's time tracking tools are helpful for businesses with hourly employees. Employees can clock in and out and request time off. Managers can set paid time off policies, monitor hours, approve timesheets, and approve time off requests. Note that employees currently cannot clock in and out through Sage HR's mobile app. Instead, mobile users can clock in through their phone's browser. This could affect employees who need to clock in away from a computer, such as field service management workers. You can create as many PTO policies as you require for your employees, such as common policies like vacation days, sick days, and bereavement. You can also customize the amount of time employees can take off, define PTO accrual methods, and select eligibility for certain employees. Monitoring hours in Sage HR is easy to do. You have an overview of your employees' clock-in times, break hours, and total hours. You can then approve timesheets from the same user interface. Workflow automations are rules you can set to automate repetitive tasks for your company. Some examples in human resources software include reminding your team about monthly events or alerting your HR department of employee name changes. Sage HR can automate your workflow through its recipes feature. While these are effective, they are primarily built for automatically sending messages rather than carrying out actions within Sage HR. Automations are built with an if-then structure. For example, if it is the first day of a month, then an email will be sent to a team manager reminding them of the monthly company get-together. Recipes can be used for a multitude of different use cases. Some popular use cases include reminding a direct manager to greet colleagues on their birthdays, informing a direct manager of a new hire joining their team, and updating an employee after an absence. Overall, Sage HR is effective for hiring and onboarding employees, but it does not offer the payroll features, benefits, or compliance assistance that alternatives do. It is ideal for businesses who leverage HR software primarily for job postings and performance management. Businesses interested in automating repetitive tasks, such as messaging colleagues or accessing top-level reports about their company, will also find Sage HR beneficial. If you're interested, you can try Sage HR today by clicking the link in the description. Do you agree with the recommendation for Sage HR? We would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below, and if you enjoyed our content, please like and subscribe.